welcome back to the channel. Or if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. So I've got a small project that I've been putting off here with two Marx M10005 locomotives. I purchased these at different times. This one here, the silver and red, has got a beautiful body to it. Unfortunately, it did not come with a motor, but there is a motor bracket. But it's in really decent shape. I do not have any passenger cars that go along with these locomotives, and that's how it is with Marx sometimes. You start at one point and just collect piece by piece. The cream and green 10,005, which the shell is in really bad shape. Too bad. I wish this condition was as good as this one. However, it did come with an original motor. The motor right now is seized. It's the middle gear that's connected to the armature, not moving at all. It's pretty well rusted in there, so I'm assuming the rust is also in the motor as well. It also has a drawbar, which usually they don't have these, so that usually has the pin that connects to pieces, so someone must have added that at one point. Well, we're going to try to get this motor running, and hopefully it should easily go into this silver shell. The reason why I'm doing the video is I've never worked on one of these motors before. It looks very similar to the Marx micro motor. If you've ever seen these are really good running motors, believe it or not. They only run in one direction, but they're very fast, and they're easy to work on. You can tell the micro motor by the small pickup shoe right there. So, and also this clip right here is very important to have the right connections with this clip so you get the proper grounding for the motor. So we're going to pull this apart. We're going to try to get this motor running. I'm also going to put a light fixture in the front. I have these LED bulbs that I purchased a while back. Didn't really do anything with it, but it fits in that slot perfectly. Really, the most work is going to be getting this engine running. I'm also going to de-rust the wheels by soaking them in white vinegar. I'm going to submerge the whole thing in vinegar as well and see what happens. I'm really not too concerned about the shell. I mean, it's in bad shape, but I'm going to see if the vinegar will only take out the rust and not harm the paint. What do you think? Well, we'll have to see what happens. All right, so let's get this project rolling. Yeah, so here's a close-up of that motor that was in the 10,005. As you can see, it's seized right there. That middle gear is not moving at all. It's just totally rusted. I think once we loosen this up, clean it up a little bit, it should run fine. This is that copper piece that I spoke of earlier, right there. You can see that this, by tension, it's on that axle. It's very important that it gets connected right when we put the motor back together again. That provides the grounding that you need. The gears look good. We're gonna open this up, see what's going on inside. Just get a pliers, straighten them out. Marx motors are pretty durable. Okay, now because this is all rusted, it's probably not going to come off as easy as we think. I can feel it giving. A little wiggle, a little prayer. Just take your time. These things probably haven't been moved since they were manufactured many years ago. 70 years ago. So give it time. Have patience with it. Still not coming. All right, let's give it some oil. This is where the problem is, right here. Let's put a little bit in there. Maybe a little bit right there, where all these connecting points are. So you can loosen this up. Let that sit for a minute. All right, we've been playing with this thing for some time now. It's ready to give. I'm really taking my time because the last thing you want happening is to have this. It's kind of like that Bakelite material. You don't want that to crack in half. Here we go. The wire is still going to be connected here to the field coil, so we're going to be careful with that. Just straighten that out. Okay, and I'm gonna, come on baby, come to Papa. All right, as you can see, the armature, it's already moving, so there's not going to be any problem with that. So it was seized right over here on this shaft. That's where the problem was. So we're going to clean this up. We're going to clean up the contact points. The brushes don't look too bad. I think I'm going to keep the brushes. Everything looks good. It just needs a cleaning. I usually clean everything with mineral spirits. Anything that I cannot take apart, I just brush it on. I've already done this, and that seems to be the best way to clean it. And then just wipe everything clean with a rag. I've had very good luck with these commutator plates using this product here, Brasso. And just to show you how well it works, because we do want to get rid of that. We want this to be as clean as possible. You should never sand this down with anything abrasive. I'm going to let that sit. Yeah, so this is sat for about 2 minutes. Now, usually you could take the armature out, but in this case, on this motor, it can't come out because of the way that it's peened in there. Just take a rag and just rub it back and forth. Put a little bit of pressure on it, and it does an excellent job on that. There's still a little residue left. We'll probably do it one more time. Also a good idea to take a toothpick, very carefully clean out any gunk that might be in between those spaces right there between the plates. So 2 electrical checks that you can do on the armature is to make sure that you have electrical connections between the 3 plates. Plate 1 and 2, yes. 2 and 3, yes. How about 1 and 3? Yes. Now, if you check between the plate and the center post, there should not be any electrical connection. And if you do get one, then it's bad. Another check we can do is for ohms, which we should not have more than 2 ohms between any 2 plates. 1.6, 1.4, 1.5. So electrically, this is good. So I also took the opportunity to solder the wires in for the light fixture that I want to add. Just give it a quick test. All right. Yeah, this is always the moment of truth. Once we have everything assembled, put a clip down here on the shoe, get some juice. Will she work? Wow, yeah. All these Marx motors need is cleaning, oiling, and they will just go forever. Remarkable, the engineering that went behind this. So we got it all assembled. That was pretty easy. We have the light in place. Motor looks good. Connections for my light. Let's take it to the track and give it a run. Not much going on with the new layout yet. Here we go. Sparking under there. The only other M10005s are right there. Got a set there, and that one was a repaint. So with this one, I'll have to look for some passenger cars to complete that set. I'm happy with the light. That was a good thing. As for this guy here, oof. This will be a future repaint project. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless.